Good morning, guys. How are we all? I hope you're all doing really well today. So I thought I would just turn back time a little bit, do an OG video and just do a voiceover for this one whilst I clean my whole house. So if you are looking for some motivation, definitely stick around until the end and hopefully we can clean our houses together. But before we jump into it, please don't forget to subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up, do all of the things because it helps me out so much when you do that, and let's just get to cleaning. So as you can see, I am starting off in my kitchen. I always feel like the kitchen takes the longest time, so I just wanted to start in here, empty the dishwasher, put another load in and just give everything a good clean. Before we get too far into it, I just want to say a huge hello to all of my new subscribers. You definitely haven't gone unnoticed. I have had so many new friends join this channel over the last few weeks and I'm just so excited to have you here. So thank you so much. If you are new, thank you so much if you have been here from the start. But honestly, you guys mean the world to me, and just having you keep coming back to each video, honestly, it means the world. So yeah, I just wanted to say a huge hello and a huge thank you to everybody watching this video.
We were closer than two of a kind. The bond was almost palpable. Solemn oaths with our blood that were signed. But time flies. Yes, time.
So once I'd finished in the kitchen, it was time to move through into the front room, and it always looks really bad in this room, but it actually doesn't take that long to do. As you can see, I did take a 5-minute puppy break to play with Max, and then I got straight back to it, just putting everything back where it belongs so I can go in, do the dusting, do the hoovering, just do all the things and get it nice and fresh, because I love the feeling once I've finished and just have a nice fresh clean space. It is just so relaxing to me.
In my diary
really too much I could do with this corner. As you can see, we've got all of like Rob's weights and the workout bench and the TV and the treadmill, and honestly the list goes on. And lately, for some reason, Rob has got in the habit of buying bulk, so we have a lot of excess stuff, and I just wanted to hide it around the back of the sofa, so when we're in like the living room area watching the telly, we can't see it. It's just basically an out of sight, out of mind situation, and that works really well for me. So anything I don't want to see, I just kind of hide it behind the sofa. But after that's done, it's time to go in and freshen the front room, and this is actually my one of my favorite things to do is the dusting and hoovering, because it just makes it all come together and smell really fresh. I actually totally forgot to put the bedding in the wash. So if you can see, the bedding looks pretty manky, and that is because I fake tanned the night before. So I had tan all over the bedding, and I was supposed to strip it and put it in the wash first thing, and honestly I totally forgot. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. How am I going to make the bed if you're just laying there? How am I going to do it, hey? Maxie? Are you being a pain in the bum? Are you being a pain in the bum? Yes, you are. I don't know why keeping this room tidy is so difficult for me, but this room just ends up looking trashed every single day. Like, I never put anything away, so I really need to get into that habit. But I'm just going to whiz around, sort it all out now. You're probably going to see that the drawers themselves are an absolute mess, and I think I'm actually going to organise those, declutter them and everything in a TikTok or an Instagram reel. So definitely go and follow me on both of those if you haven't already. I will leave those down below. I just really didn't have it in me today to go through and do all of the drawers, so I'm going to do that in a separate video. But I'm just going to whiz around and put everything away. This room is very much like the living room. Like, it looks an absolute state, like a bomb has gone off, but it really doesn't actually take too long to tidy up. So let's just whiz around, do all the things and get it nice and tidy. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you a ton of motivation. Please don't forget to subscribe if it did, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys back here in my next one. Bye guys.